When Joy here isn't busy running the Fountain on Locust or thinking, as in what's Joy thinking, she's actually developing other buildings, and she's developing one right down the street from the Fountain on Locust at 3137 Locust. And you had a ribbon cutting today. Why?
We did, because we are launching or putting out there our first distillery, handcrafted artisan distillery.
Here in St. Louis.
Yes, which makes spirits, not beer. And it is going to be a sustainable building and sustainable distillery.
The sustainability effort in the city is not just about the green or the natural resources component, the environmental component. It's actually what we call triple bottom line. So it's the environmental, the economic, and the social. And so what we're really trying to do is weave together all three of those areas, because that's what's going to make city of St. Louis a more sustainable place to be. This is something that we wanted to do to try and help make it easier for people in the private sector to achieve energy efficiency, because certainly city government can't do it, and even what the city contributes in its municipal buildings is a teeny tiny fraction of the overall environmental problem. And so one thing that we can do is develop a financing program as a tool to make it more inexpensive and simpler for people in the private sector to make these energy efficiency improvements on their buildings.
So you had the city of St. Louis here.
Yes.
You had somebody from the University of Missouri here,
yes,
Matt Belcher.
we want to thank everybody, really, because without them, we couldn't bring this all together. Matt's from the state.
We formed a consortium at the University of Missouri-Columbia. We have several departments there that are effective energy efficiency resources for the particular function that they serve. We assess building owners and help them make not just energy efficient decisions, but the correct energy efficient decisions, so they get the best return on the investment, for retrofitting or even a new building. So it's a great opportunity to take all that expertise at the university, including some industrial geothermal and experts like that they have there, and we can pull it all together and just, again, the biggest bang for the buck that way.
What about on a local level? Marlene Davis was here.
Marlene Davis has been so supportive. She's our alderwoman in this ward, and she's part of the SLDC giving us some grant money for the facade.
I'm excited that it's Joy and her industry that's doing it, because she knows how to market. She knows how to create a great event space, and it's been wonderful having her here in the district. So Midtown is actually gaining from all of this, and I'm looking forward to having it open and having lots of people come in. It's
just really coming together in a really good way.
Tell us about Set the Pace.
Set the Pace, St. Louis PACE program, is a funding source that is, we're one of the first to actually take part in that. And it's a wonderful opportunity for people like us who need money and then apply it to the property itself.
And PACE is an acronym that stands for Property Assessed Clean Energy. And essentially, it is a loan, but it leverages future energy savings so that more property owners can participate in the energy retrofit revolution, if you will. This is a way to have a public-private partnership through a private sector solution that infuses this capital into the marketplace, and it gets a lot of wins for a lot of folks. This is kind of a groundbreaking initiative here for the Tempest Distillery. We're really excited about the comprehensive scope of work that's been outlaid for this project. So this is definitely one of the first ones out the gate, and we're really excited about it.
So in about a year, we hope to see everybody down here. In fact, we will be open for tours, just like the Active House in Webster Groves is a residence that you can go see as a sustainable house. Here is a commercial offering that you can see.